start with, where does this whole journey for us started? If we go a little bit into the future to 2050, the population of this planet will be close to 10 billion people. That would mean that to feed all these people, we would need at least 56% more food than we have today. But the land on our planet is not growing. These wild catches, these systems are already at a brink. When you take salmon and other species, the governments are not giving more licenses to fish because else we can harm the ecosystem. So slowly, everyone is looking to aquaculture. That is producing fisheries, fish, shrimp, different categories in ponds and cages. And when we look at that, we really believe that aquaculture and fisheries will be the solution to feed and nutrition security in the future. And also within fisheries, we really believe shrimp will be the answer, because shrimp as a species has a lot of traits which makes it a suitable candidate to help secure this feed and nutrition security. It is the demand when it comes to the US, China, it's growing, and of course our own country. If we start consuming a bit more shrimp, then the sky is the limit for the species. Also, when we look at the efficiency of this particular animal, it is very efficient on the environment. The FCRs, or the feed conversion ratios, are close to 1.2, 1.3. So the impact on the environment is much less. And shrimp in itself is an extremely nutritious animal which has a lot of vitamins, minerals associated. So we really are betting on the success of shrimp to secure feed and nutrition security. But for a shrimp to succeed, a shrimp farmer has to be successful in the culture. So if we look at top two, what are the two biggest problems a shrimp farmer faces? That is volatile prices and diseases, right? Now, we as a tech company, we cannot do much about volatile prices. It's demand and supply. But what if we can provide a buffer to these shrimp farmers? We can provide enough buffer for them to handle this volatility. What do I mean by that is, what if we increase the profits, we increase their revenues, and we reduce their costs? We give them a cushion to absorb the volatility in the shrimp prices. And one way to do it is through feeding, right? Now, feeding is the most important aspect whenever you grow any animal. But there's an added challenge with shrimp. Any other animal, you can see whether it is drinking or eating or not. But when it comes to shrimp, you cannot see, because the shrimp grows in murky waters. So either the farmers, by experience, underfeed. If they underfeed, then the animal is not getting enough feed. It does not grow well. There's mortality, a lack of immunity, so diseases can happen. The other side of the story is overfeeding. The farmer can overfeed, which is actually a much bigger crime than underfeeding, because when you're overfeeding, a lot of feed goes unutilized. So that's literally throwing your money in the water. Plus also, when that feed goes unutilized, it putrefies. It leads to water pollution, soil pollution, not only for that particular farmer, but also the neighboring farmers. It can really collapse the whole shrimp farming ecosystem. So since we cannot see what is happening under the water, what if we can hear what is happening under the water and guide the shrimp? Similarly with diseases, today we have sensors, technologies which are already installed in the ponds, which are working. What if we can, as Dave was saying, before the farmer knows, we can see changes in water quality parameters or the behavior of the animal, and we can call the farmer and tell, hey, something is changing in pond number 10, go and check. We can avoid, or we can help a farmer manage biological risk. This is where Eruvaka comes in. Eruvaka helps farmers install these IoT, AI-powered products which help increase productivity and manage biological risk. Today we are present in 12 countries, including India. In terms of impact metrics, every year through Eruvaka devices, almost 20,000 harvests happen. We are in more than 44,000 hectares globally, with more than 56,000 devices. We help produce close to 350,000 metric tons of shrimp annually, with the value of which is close to $1.2 billion. And we do this with a team of close to 200 people. And on the right, you can see how we have grown along in different countries. We have had almost a 300% growth till 2021, and beyond that, a 20% year on year till now, even during the shrimp crisis of 23 and 24. today, without technology, we just cannot produce efficiently. And as the margins shrink in the shrimp, with shrimp, technology is really crucial to produce at cost. And as shrimp becomes more a commodity, the winner will be a lowest cost producer. And to produce at low cost, you need the right nutrition, right technology, and the right guidance on the farm. You cannot go wrong anywhere anymore. We are also a young, conscious company, so we also give back to the environment. All our products are completely solar powered, so that does not only help produce produce shrimp green, but it also helps reduce the operational cost for the farmers. We substantially reduce feed wastage, so we produce less resources go waste. We also enable environmental efficiency. We produce more with less, and we have documented a reduction in carbon footprint by 10 to 30% in most of our big farms. Thank you. Thank you very much.